Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2016 Nissan Qashqai. This is the 1.7 SV model, finished in a red metallic paint. It's got a low annual road tax of €180. It's NC'd up until February 2024, and it's sold a 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard. It's got the 17-inch multi-spoke alloys with brand new tyres all around. It's got nice clean bodywork also. It's got the roof rails. It's got a nice spacious boot with fold down seats for additional space also. It's got lots of legroom in the back. It's got the Isofix for the car seats on both sides, centre armrest and cup holders. It's finished in a navy and a grey cloth interior. It's got the front armrest. It's got the panoramic glass view roof. It's got electric windows, electric fold-in mirrors, multifunctional steering wheel with built-in radio, phone and cruise control functions. Touchscreen radio with built-in CD player, Bluetooth, navigation and reversing camera. It's got the dual climate control with the air conditioning, automatic handbrake, 6-speed manual gearbox, and there's 106,304 kilometers on the clock. This Nissan Qashqai would make an ideal sized family car, and here at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. So give us a call at 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and book a test drive. Thanks very much.